Hey there, Jamin from iPlumber. Just doing a quick video to talk through the process of renovations. We get a lot of customers that don't really know how things go when it comes to doing up their bathroom or replacing fixtures. So first of all, obviously the old fixture needs to come out, and then the new fixture is most likely going to be a bit different. Vanity, sink, shower, whatever it may be. So quite often we may need to cut out a bit of the wall linings and alter those pipes into the correct location to suit the new fixture, and then it's a matter of getting that wall patched up. You may want to do some plastering or painting. You may need some new flooring put down. So, that's bringing in builders, plasterers, painters, floorers, electricians possibly. And then once everything's sort of tidied up and looking pretty, the new fixture goes in. We can do it, or the builder can do it sometimes, depending what it is. And then we come back and fit it off, install the tap, install the waste, test it, make sure it's all working. So that's basically what it is. And if you've got any questions, just give us a yell. We're on 839-7586 in Hamilton. Thanks.